All right, hey, what's y'all TikTok? What's y'all TikTok? Just one at a time. What's your TikTok?
Nisha playing. My name Kaya_12342. That pretty girl with a U.
What is it? What is it? You gotta finish.
T-Birds 5. That pretty underscore girl dot J with 2 Y's. T-Birds 5.
T-Birds 5.
Miley_5 1 word.
Okay.
Audrey 2191.
Audrey.
Love.Raya.
Love.Raya.
Raya.
Anybody else wanna? Anybody else? All right, this is our 10U cheerleaders, man. This is where the coaches at. Coaches, what y'all gonna do this year, coach?
Take first place.
First place again?
Yes.
All right, they really do that. What y'all gonna do, coach?
Oh, we finna ride.
Y'all gonna ride?
All the way to the end.
You know, people waiting to see y'all. I'm telling you, people waiting to see what this team gonna do. All right, good luck this year, girls. Good luck this year, girls.